Hello, I'm Alan Holtham. I'm going to show you this, the BHR243 18 volt cordless combination hammer drill from Makita. This is a real high performer with some very clever features, like the dedicated dust extraction system that's powered independently but operates with the main on-off trigger, which is really neat, as you'll see in a minute. The BHR243 is based around a powerful brushless motor unit, which has several real advantages over a conventional brush motor. For a start, there's no maintenance required, as there's no brushes to change. More importantly, because there's none of the friction loss that's normally associated with carbon brushes, the energy production is far more efficient. In fact, on this tool, it's something like 30% more efficient. So you get a lot more work for a single battery charge, and the drill operates at a lower amperage and consequently runs at a lower temperature, making it ideal for hard industrial applications which require long continuous operation. This 18 volt kit will actually drill into concrete faster than its 24 volt equivalent with a brush motor, and an added benefit is that as you don't need to change the battery so often, it will last considerably longer. The powerful 3 ampere 18 volt battery is lithium ion with built-in overload protection, and with a quick charger provided, you'll recharge it in just 22 minutes. Now, the ergonomics of the drill have been really well thought out. So we've got the centre of gravity ideally placed just about here, right next to the handle, and when you combine this with the online grip, you get maximum thrust when you're drilling and also excellent manoeuvrability. The side handle is fully adjustable to suit any holding situation, and it also incorporates a handy depth stop that's very easy to set. The main handle itself is easy to grip no matter how you hold it, even overhead. And this is helped by the relative light weight of the unit. It weighs just 4.8 kilos, and that's with the extraction system attached. Both the on-off and the forward and reverse switches are easy to operate, even if you're wearing gloves. And it's just as easy for left-handers as well. The trigger is an accelerated type, giving you a speed range from 0 to 950 RPM. If you look closely at the tool body, you'll see it's divided into two separate housings with a vibration absorbing cushion between them here. This is important because it substantially reduces the transmission of vibration to the battery terminals, which can cause terminal damage or poor electrical contact. There are 3 operating modes: rotation with hammer for drilling concrete and masonry, rotation only for drilling in wood or metal, and hammer only for chipping or demolition work. You just select the required mode on this side dial. With the BHR243, you're supplied with 2 chucks. The quick change chuck for SDS bits allows you to change the bit very quickly. It just slides in and locks automatically, and you remove it by pulling back on this collar. Look how easy that is. In, out. The chuck has a particularly long holder section which minimises any bit wobble, and if using the drill with the rotation turned off, you can lock the bit at one of 40 different angles by first turning the selector to the 0 setting. For parallel shank bits, you can remove the SDS chuck, no tools required, you can see how easy it is, and fit the keyless quick change drill chuck, and this has a shank capacity of 13 millimeters. For me, the key feature of the BHR243 is the dust extraction system, which operates via this clip-on collector unit. Just one touch is all you need to attach it or detach it. The unit has its own built-in motor to draw in the dust, so it doesn't affect the drilling performance in any way. The motor is then operated automatically when you use the drill's trigger switch. And you can hear it runs on for a few seconds after you switch off to clear any dust that's remaining in the ducting. Inside is a HEPA filter. That's high efficiency particulate air filter. And this is widely regarded as the ultimate type of filter It will trap all sizes of particles with an efficiency rating of 99.75%. So I reckon that's pretty good. To empty the large collection box or to clean the filter, just unclip it here and then open it up. Then when you're ready, it just clips back in place. So there's nothing at all fiddly about that. The extraction inlet can be adjusted according to the bit length, and then a sliding stop can be set for repetition drilling to depth. This RFEV kit is supplied in a heavy duty case with the quick charger and a spare battery. So let's see some of these features in action, starting with hammer drilling. The capacity in concrete is a massive 24 millimeters, and the hammer action delivers up to 4,700 blows per minute with a single impact energy of 2 joules, which means it'll punch its way in quite happily even at full capacity. And you'll see how efficient the extraction is even on vertical surfaces. And this sealing cap can be renewed when it gets worn. To drill metal or wood, swap the SDS chuck to the drill chuck and select drilling mode on the selector. And again, you have impressive capacities, up to 27 millimeters in wood and 13 millimeters in steel. For safety, there's a built-in torque limiter, which will kick in if the bit jams and prevent damage to the motor or injury to the operator. Light pressure is all you need, but do keep withdrawing the bit to clear any build-up of swarf. For chipping or demolition work, select the chisel mode, and then holding the tool firmly in both hands, apply enough pressure to stop the tool bouncing around. You'll not gain anything by pressing on really hard. So that's the Makita BHR243 cordless rotary hammer with fully integrated dust extraction system. Now this family of cordless SDS drills is available in various options. The BHR242 just has the SDS chuck, or the BHR243 has the SDS chuck and the interchangeable 3-jaw drill chuck. Both models can be purchased in the REV versions, complete with a dust extraction attachment. Both are offered as body-only options if you want to add these machines to your existing Makita 18-volt lithium-ion kit. It's the brushless motor that ensures the unrivaled power and the performance that beats many much higher spec drills. And of course, being Makita, it's a professional quality tool built to the highest standards. Try one for yourself. You'll be amazed at the power output. Till next time. Bye-bye for now.